Happy Halloween, everyone! Welcome back to Tribble's Treasure Trove, and today I'm showing off my Ghostface Pixel Crochet Blanket. It's worked in a single crochet with Ghostface in the classic black, white, and gray shading, and a pink background with dark pink drips at the top, finished with a black border for that perfect frame. Yes, I used my row counter to track every row, and it's a total lifesaver with all these details. So this project mixes horror and softness. Ghostface is iconic, and I wanted him recognizable but with depth. The gray shading adds dimension to the mask, the pink background keeps it fun, and the dark pink drips at the top add drama. The black border ties it all together, giving the blanket a polished frame look and makes the mask really pop against a pastel pink. So here's what I used. I used medium weight acrylic yarn, black, white, 2 grays, light and dark, a light pink, and a darker pink. A 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, a tapestry needle for finishing, yarn bobbins to keep colors separated, row counter to track each row, and my stitch fiddle to make the pixel graft. The acrylic yarn keeps it soft, durable, and washable, and perfect for display or snuggling. So first, I mapped Ghostface and stitch fiddle using black and white for the mask and gray shades for shadows and depth. The background is light pink with dark pink drips from the top, and the black border frames the whole piece. Row counter kept track of each row, making it easy to line up everything perfectly. This is all worked in a single crochet, 1 stitch per pixel. So to make it look the way I did, I switched colors on the last pull through for clean edges. Had to keep the tension consistent. The bobbins just kept everything from becoming a tangled mess, and marking off the rows to keep track of everything. And seeing Ghostface emerge with the shading and the pink blood effect is so satisfying, and the black border really makes everything just pop. Once the main pixel art was done, I added a round of black single crochet all around for the border. And then I weaved in all the ends, blocked the blanket so it lays flat, and the row counter did help me double check that every stitch and drip lined up perfectly. So here it is, my Ghostface Pixel Crochet Blanket. And the gray shading here does add the depth, and the pink drips at the top. And here, the pink black background over there and over here that you can't see because my fat butt's in the way. Everything just works together beautifully. And thanks to the row counter, everything's where it needs to be. It's spooky, cozy, and a little glam. So yeah, what you think, guys? I think it's perfect for the Halloween thing. It's spooky, cozy, and honestly, Ghostface has never looked so chic. If you love this project, go ahead, hit like and subscribe for more spooky fandom inspired crochet. Drop a comment if you want me to share the pixel graph or do a tutorial on shading and borders in the pixel crochet. And thanks for watching. Stay crafty, stay spooky, and happy Halloween! Yay, Halloween!